Well, this is really novel. Don't know what to say about today, really, or the weekend. But I'm just off to see the cheese feasting, handshaking, ocean sailing. Who else would that be? The Sailing Brothers. Going to meet the Sailing Brothers down in Cardiff. So I'll keep you updated. This is Cardiff Yacht Club, and we're here to see the cheese feasting, handshaking, ocean sailing, the Sailing Brothers. Upstairs in the club, people were really friendly, helped us out, lent us a fob so we can get in and out the gate and leave the van there if we were drinking. A really good club. Here we are at Denny's favourite restaurant, Wetherspoons. His 5-star restaurant, that is. And we had our evening meal here, and then we made our way back to the hotel. Well, back out again for breakfast. Ready to go to Wetherspoons, have our breakfast. Nice sunrise there. And then we're going to have a look at the other side. Don't know whether you can see that. There's a sail. Some form of sail architecture, which is very nice, which we'll go and have a look at later. We're going to get some breakfast now and then get back and join them at the yacht club. Should be quite nice, that. Over the other side of the bay, we saw the marina. Dear me, I've never seen anything so big. It's absolutely enormous. It just goes on forever. Don't know how many boats to get in there. It'd be worth looking it up, actually. I should have done that, shouldn't I, and told you. But anyway, you can do that. But no, it really was beautiful, great facilities there. And then I saw the white water course. This is what inspired me to get back into canoeing. I still haven't done it, but I will do this year. It's great stuff. We're in an hour to kill. We decided to take a bay cruise is what we signed up for. 15 quid each to go round the bay, or so we thought. And as it turned out, it was just a trip up the river. I was not happy at all, and in fact, I've written a complaint. I mean, it was smelly. The diesel was terrible. I was choking most of the time. I've got a bad throat anyway because of the cancer, and that really, it set me off something wicked. So I've written to complain and see what they're going to do about it, because the advert was Bay Cruise, and then when I got back, there's only a young lad on board, and I said to him, you know, that wasn't a Bay Cruise. He said, oh no, they only run in the summer. I said, well, that's not what the advert said. And he said, well, this is just a taxi to the town. I thought, no, you're not on. So anyway, I'll update you at some point. But as I say, this is just going round into the river bay. That there is Cardiff Yacht Club. Great facilities. They've got swinging moorings, got pontoon moorings, and a lot of space there as well. It's great. Some sailing going on in the bay, small yachts. The 2 big yachts out as well, but a massive sailing area. Really is. It's a fantastic place to be, certainly if you're a sailor or a water sports fanatic. Really good. More of the yacht club facilities. It's quite nice. Well worth joining, I think. If you sail down this way, I would join that yacht club, no problem. is quite clearly, it says Bay Cruise, and that's the poster that was up on the pontoon that we came down and paid our money for. Certainly not a bay cruise, this was the river trip. Not much to show, so I won't show much of it. After the dreadful, literally river trip is all it was, not a tour of the bay, we decided to go for a walk. And here was the Norwegian church, which was now a coffee bar. It was a lovely place. And then some really nice buildings in the area. Then it was time for the big moment, to meet the Sailing Brothers and have a chat to them, which was most enjoyable.
Lovely bag.
Well, where did you see?
Same as yours.
Well, there we are. Cardiff Yacht Club. Denny and the Sailing Brothers. Yeah. We're early as usual. Not that we're ever early. It's a good turnout. Lots of people.
Stand by, get your legs up and push yourself.
Got chatting to a lovely family who are members of the club who come to see the Sailing Brothers. They were fantastic. In fact, Jenny pointed out how she looked like some actress he knew. And when he showed me a picture, she's the spitting image, but a fantastic couple. We had a great chat. As usual, Denny had a chat with them and come up with some great suggestions for when they do another talk, which they're hoping to do in a year's time. Well, as the sun goes down, we say goodbye to this place, and it's been an enjoyable day really, meeting those two guys. They really are an inspiration, lovely people, well worth watching. 9:32, leaving Cardiff. Last time now, we're not coming back now, although I hope to come back. I was very impressed at Cardiff. All the mooring facilities, the range of stuff that's here is great. So yeah, goodbye Cardiff and thank you. If you've never seen the Sailing Brothers, which I find highly unlikely, please do go to their site. They are absolutely amazing. They're a great pair. They are only young. I was quite surprised how young they were, actually. Or it's me getting old, I suppose. But I think what's so good about them, they are so genuine, so humble, and so kind. Honestly, they're not big-headed. They're not ones to, seek money and want everything given to them. They are just genuine sailors, and unbelievable. Well worth watching. Switch now to the Sailing Brothers. Thank you very much for watching me. Leave a like if you like it, and certainly subscribe because that helps me and helps other people. Thank you very much.